Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be explaining you on how we can export the stock market data from Yahoo Finance and analyze it. Subscribe to my channel to get alerts on new videos related to Python and data science. As we all know, companies issue stocks for trading. So stock market is a place where the investors buy and sell the company shares. Yahoo Finance provides real-time streaming codes for many exchanges. Now we are going to get this data into our Pandas data frame. Open Jupyter Notebook. To get that Yahoo Finance data, we are going to import the Y Finance library and display the data in Pandas data frame. So we have to import the data module from Pandas data reader package. In this code, I'm using the Pandas data reader, but I want to download the data faster. So I can override the data reader method to use Y Finance so that I can make sure that the return data that is from Y Finance is in the same format as we use in the data reader. In this example, we are going to analyze the Google stocks. So the next step is to get the stock market data from Yahoo Finance for Google. So I will call the getDataYahoo method for Google by providing the start and the end time. Since we are going to get the data for Google, I need to give GOOG to get the Google data. Printing the data frame is going to show me the opening value, closing value, highest and lowest prices, and the volume of stocks on each day for the Google stock. The other method to get the stock data is from the Y Finance API. So I'll make use of the tickers module to get the data. So I'll give import Y Finance as YF and tickers equal to this YF dot tickers of Google. And I'm going to retrieve the data for a period of 1 month. So I can call the history method to fetch the data for 1 month period. I'll call the history method by passing the period value as 1MO to retrieve the data for 1 month of the Google stocks. I also have an option to give the start value and the end value by passing it as arguments in the history method. Here in this example, I've given the start value to be 2024 Jan 1 and the end value to be 2024 March 1. And this is how my data gets retrieved from the Y Finance API. Now that we have this data, we would like to visualize it for easy understanding. So this is where matplotlib comes into picture. I'm going to import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT and I have got the data with me. On that data, I'm going to plot only the opening and the closing value. So I'll give df of open.plot and df of close.plot. And this is how the data gets plotted. I can add a title to this plot by calling the legend method and passing the title value. So in this case, I've given Google stock market value and this legend is now created where blue represents open and orange represents close. Hope you have got a clear picture on how to analyze the stock market value and visualize them.